right? So what I will do next, I will use the style, nothing but now I am using the inline style, what internal style sheet. I'm using the internal style sheet. Here I'm giving what the same thing. What I have given in the external file, right? So background background color background color. Now in place of yellow, what I will give in place of yellow, I will give green. I will give green. Okay, close this. This green. Right? In place of yellow, I will give green. Here I have given what yellow color in the external file, but the same I am using what I am giving the green color. Now the question is what, whether the browser should display the browser should follow this background color yellow, or it should give the background color as green. Now that is the conflict, right? Now we are that the browser is in conflict, it's in confusion. Okay, either it should work as per the program, that is as per the external style sheet, or as per the internal style sheet. Let's check whether it will display external file sheet or internal style sheet. Close. Okay, just close this, open it, work. See, it ignores the external style sheet. Now it applies what internal style sheet, right? So here what I'm trying to explain is, in CSS, okay, the browser while it's working, the browser while compiling all these HTML file or HTML tags, it will follow, or it will maintain one virtual virtual declaration list. It will perform, or it will maintain one virtual declaration list. What are all included what are all the things included in that virtual declaration list means, one is default CSS. Default CSS means, see, if I not given anything here, okay, I have not given anything. A default is what? Black color, right? The ground or white color. Here the background color will be always white. If I not given anything, if I not specifically given green, red, blue, yellow, the specific default the default value is for what? Is white color. So it will maintain, the default CSS will be there. Next, it will maintain what? The external style sheet. Okay, external style sheet. What we have given in the external style sheet, that value it will be display here. Here, what we have given external style sheet, that is background color. Background color is what? Yellow. Okay, here background color is what? It's yellow here. Background color is yellow. Then now we have given one more, that is internal style sheet, right? Internal style sheet background color is what? Green, right? Internal style sheet background color is what? Green. If I give the same one more, that is inline style sheet. If I give the inline style sheet, means I will go here in the P. Okay, I will use what? Style. Okay, I use style equal to, or style for inline style sheet. What we have to do? Style equal to, right? I want to give like something like background color. Same thing I will do. Okay, background color. Now it should be what? Background color should be like now I will give red. Okay, I will give red. Now I will close this. Okay, I will close this. Let's see what we will get. Yeah, just close this. Save. Okay, program one, right? So style background color is red. I have given red. Okay. Here I have to close this one, right? So now control S. Let's check. Go to the program one, open with Google Chrome. Yes, see SVIT college. It is in now background color is what? Red. Right. So by this program, we can say that externally, internally, inline. Three ways of style sheet we have given to the same program. Now conflict for the browser. Which one it should display? Whether it should display, whether it should work on external, or should work on inline, or should work on what? Internal. So by this example, we can it clearly displaying that which one is near, which style we have given latest. Okay, which style sheet we have given latest. It will work on two principles. It will work on some principle, right? So one is which style is near, right? So latest, which style we have given, it will follow that one. Okay, it will follow that one. That we set as an inheritance. Okay, which first one is inheritance. Right? So nearer. Okay, it will follow the nearest one. Precedence. Okay, it will work purely based on precedence. Right? Which one is having highest weight? It will work according to that one. Which is having highest weight? It works according to that one. Right? So to avoid this conflict, in CSS, in Cascade, we having three type of principles. One is inheritance, second one is specificity, and third one is location. Okay, here the same example I'm using, right? In inheritance means what? If a parent is having some trait, the same thing, the child will be also can have the same property, right? If the parent is having some this one, right? For example, I am using body. For body, I am using like color is to red. Okay, in body using color is to red. So all the tag we are used in the body. Okay, all tags should be displaying red color. That is what inheritance. And specificity means what? Specificity means, okay, I want to explain with example. For inheritance, specificity, everything I want to explain example, but time is not there. Okay, fine. You just leave. I will cover these three concepts tomorrow. Right. So it just remember here in this concept, here the browser will follow two rules. One is whichever new thing we have added, okay, which style sheet we have used latest, that will be considered for the execution. One thing. Second thing, which is having more specific, means generic specific. Okay, which is having generic specific is having more importance. I will explain this more specific importance and all. That is which is considered as generic, which is considered as more specific. Okay, I'll explain with the programming with some programs. Okay, you just remember in this concept. Okay, which one is the latest, that will be considered for execution. Okay, that is the first one, first rule, first cascade rule. And the browser will maintain for each HTML tag, it maintains what? Virtual declaration list. See, earlier if I used in external style sheet, what is the color? Color is yellow. If we use the inline, now this has been changed. Okay, this changed to what? Green. Next I used inline. Now again the background color has been changed to red. Right? This virtual declaration list will be changing according to the program, according what we are going to use the code latest in the web page. Right? So this will be maintained by whom? browser, right? So to avoid this conflict, to work on this conflict, we have three principles. We are going to use the three principles. One is inheritance, specificity, and the location. Okay, this concept where I will explain in next class. Okay.